So previously I welded the frame and fixed the engine as well as the motor. So today we will fix the rest of the parts. Now let's start off with the coupling, and this right here is called the direct coupling, and I am using a hydraulic hose for it. Tighten it with hose clips so that it's secure. This is my 3000 watt 12 volt DC to 220 volt AC inverter. Also, this is a converter from 24 volt to 12 volt DC. So it's got a yellow, black and red wires for connection. And let's start connecting it using these wire connectors. Well, these are a much easier preference for me, so I am using it. Alright, that's all connected. We can fix it to the frame now. Click on the like and subscribe button. Also turn on bell notifications for more content. Also gonna have to reduce the speed by adjusting this. Finally, this is what we have, everything bolted and secured. Now we will have to fill it up with gas and oil with a 20:1 ratio. Before we start the engine, we have to let out all the air bubbles out of the engine, and you can see the tubes for the input and output fuel lines where the bubbles are escaping. The real problem is after this, and it works. Before I connect the motor line to the converter, I need to check the output voltage from the motor. So rev up the engine and connect the lines to the multimeter. So that's the problem, the motor is outputting 160 volts instead of 24 volts. Yeah, that's not good. I think this is leading to a part 3. Well, subscribe and thanks for watching.